Hi, today on Gary's Urban Larder, I'm going to make gazpacho, something cool and refreshing for those hot summer days. Let's get started. Let me take you through the ingredients. We have salt and pepper, some white beans, red onion, a chopped up red bell pepper, cucumber, our tomatoes, which I've seasoned already with some sea salt and freshly grated black pepper. We have cumin, olive oil, red wine vinegar, and 2 cloves of garlic. So this is really straightforward. Everything is chilled. We want to keep it that way. I've got a large pitcher, which I'm going to use. So I'm just going to start off by adding our tomatoes along with the liquid from the salt, which draws it out, our cucumber, our red bell pepper, our onion, our olive oil, our red wine vinegar, our cumin, and our garlic. I'm saving the white beans, the cannoli beans at the end for the thickener. And traditionally you would use stale bread, but this way it's gluten-free. And I know some of you will appreciate that. So we're going to use an immersion blender. I've got the big boy here. So we're just going to turn that on and start. Just crank that up a little bit. There we go. Now, I've got a little ice water in case we need to thin it just a bit. Now we want to get this really thinly pureed, so here we go. Now we've got that to a nice consistency. It's thin. And now we're going to thicken it up by adding some of our cannoli beans. Could add just about half. Okay, I want to taste that and see if we need to adjust our seasonings. Oh, that's beautiful. Fresh. I think I'll add just a pinch more salt. But that is really delicious. I'm going to add the rest of our cannoli beans now, because I think it can take the body. But that's something you can judge. So, well, I think that's done it. So now all we need to do is to chill this for about an hour. You could strain it if you like. I don't think there's any need because it's really very, very finely pureed. So we'll just refrigerate that and then we'll give it a taste. We have chilled the gazpacho and I've put it in this beautiful bowl. I have a little wedge of lime, which I think I'm going to add. And now all that remains is just to do the finishing touches. So I'll top it with a little olive oil. That looks really good. And also, I think a crack of black pepper. And also, then we'll add a squeeze of the lemon. Okay, all that we have to do now is to see how this delightful gazpacho tastes. Oh, that's delicious. It's fresh. You get the cucumber, the garlic, of course, the tomato, that little bit of olive oil and lime help to lift it. It's really cooling and refreshing. Well, thank you for joining me today at Gary's Urban Larder. If you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you won't miss a single delicious recipe. And finally, please share this video with your friends. It helps to build the community. It really helps the channel out. Until next time, goodbye.